Welcome to the Expressway to ERP Success video by Professionals Lobby. We'll show you how to navigate digital transformation with Professionals Lobby, your UAE-focused risk mitigation consultancy. Many organizations fall into the 40% trap. ERP implementation is critical, but success rates stall when driven only by direct ERP vendors. This trap includes vendor bias, generic templates, rushed UAT, and inflated pricing. Who is navigating your journey? The direct ERP vendor approach focuses on selling software, offering minimal oversight and biased guidance. The Professionals Lobby approach focuses on optimizing your business with unbiased guidance and end-to-end supervision for a perfect system fit. The Professionals Lobby advantage leads to over 90% implementation success. We don't sell software. We engineer success through verified authenticity, associated pricing, independent supervision, and process optimization. The ERP success journey has 3 phases. Phase 1 is route planning and selection. Phase 2 is the drive implementation. Phase 3 is the destination, post-live growth. We work with major ERP systems like Dynamics 365, SAP Business One, Oracle NetSuite, and Odoo ERP. Phase 1 is charting the perfect course. This involves deep analysis with neutral evaluation, authentic verification via real client visits, and shielded negotiation to leverage vendor associations for exclusive pricing advantages. Phase 2 focuses on navigating the complexities. This includes milestone supervision, ensuring the ERP aligns with actual business processes. We provide structured data transfer and verified UAT with active issue tracking and full documentation validation. Phase 3 is reaching cruising altitude. We focus on success metrics evaluation for business ROI, verified support of vendor infrastructure, and continuous advisory for long-term digital transformation strategy. Calculate your true value with our diagnostic comparison matrix. Professionals Lobby offers scalable ROI for every enterprise, resulting in potential cost savings of 25% plus, 40% plus implementation time saved, and an 85% plus increase in success probability. Professionals Lobby is powered by AI and guided by experts. We are a premier UAE-focused risk mitigation consultancy with a proven track record of over 200 successful deployments across various industries and disciplines. Ready to start your success journey? Maximize your ERP success, save time, and secure the pricing advantage you deserve. Get matched with certified UAE ERP experts today. Visit www.professionalslobby.com to start your ERP success journey.
Professionals Lobby, grow, connect, succeed.